Hello everyone, and welcome back to Grow with Smart Tips. You've learned the rules, and now it's time for the ultimate quiz. Are you ready to test your pronouns and point of view skills? Grab a notebook to keep track of your score, and let's get started. Question 1. Fill in the blank. Blank, I'm going to the market. Which pronoun fits best here? Is it A, they, B, I, or C, them? Pause for 3 seconds. Have you locked in your answer? The correct answer is B, I. I am going to the market. We use I because it's a first-person subject pronoun used when you are talking about yourself. Great start. Question 2. Replace the noun in this sentence. Rita loves her new bag. Underscore carries it everywhere. Which pronoun is correct? A, he, B, they, or C, she? The correct answer is C, she. She is the correct third-person singular pronoun to replace the name Rita. Question 3. Identify the point of view for the sentence. You must finish your homework before going out to play. This is second-person point of view. The pronouns you and your indicate the narrator is speaking directly to the reader. Question 4. The teacher gave the new storybooks to underscore. Which pronoun fits? A, we, B, us, or C, they? The correct answer is B, us. We use the object pronoun us because it receives the action after the verb. Question 5. I was so excited when I saw my birthday cake. What point of view is this sentence written in? Pause for 3 seconds. This is first-person point of view. The narrator is talking about themselves using the pronouns I and my. Question 6. The little puppy wagged underscore tail happily. Choose the correct pronoun. A, its, B, its, or C, it. The correct answer is B, its. Without an apostrophe, its is the possessive pronoun for animals or objects. Question 7. Rahul and Amit are best friends. Underscore play cricket every evening. Which pronoun replaces these two names? The answer is they. Since there are two people, we use the plural subject pronoun they. Thanks for playing. Moving on to question 8. Identify the point of view for the following sentence. He walked down the street and bought some fresh fruit. The correct answer is third-person point of view. The narrator is observing the action from the outside, using the clue pronoun he. Question 9. Ria is my little sister. I love underscore very much. Which pronoun correctly completes the sentence? A, she, B, her, or C, him? The correct answer is B, her. Her is the object pronoun used for a girl, in this case Ria, who is receiving the action. Question 10. We built a huge sandcastle, and it was beautiful. Can you identify the two pronouns in this sentence? The correct answer is we and it. We is the subject pronoun, while it replaces the noun sandcastle. The quiz is now complete. Great work testing your skills today. How many questions did you get right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.